Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. Once again I am your Aniri ma'am, and today I am dealing with the very short and very sweet poem by Carl Sandburg, the poem number 8, Fog. And here he compared the fog with the cat feet, how it is compared and how it is relevant, that we will see in our poem. Yes, Fog by Carl Sandburg. Yes, about the poem. The poet Carl August Sandburg was born in 1878 and died at 1967. He was an American poet, writer, and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. He wrote poems like Grass Analysis, and Chicago. Introduction. Fog. Fog is a very small poem written by Carl Sandburg. He has described the process of arrival of the fog into a city and the harbor. So this is the poem about how slowly and steadily, without any kind of a noise, fog arrive and cover the whole city and the harbor. He has very beautiful compared it to a cat, and here he compared it the coming of fog and cover the city with the coming of cat, because we all know that cat come so softly that we don't even realize that it came and gone. The poet says that the fog, which is generally seen during the winter season, is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. Generally, we are visualizing this fog in a winter. So poet says that fog, which generally seen during the winter season, is coming towards the city and the harbor like a cat, slowly, without any noise, without any information. Just slowly it is coming. This means that is approaching the city in a very silent manner, so that no one can notice its arrival, as we can't notice the arrival of cat. Similarly, he was on a journey, it was on its journey to cover the city or harbor, but very silently, or very silent manner. He has compared its arrival to the cat, because a cat always enter a place silently. Sometimes we never realize that okay, it came and gone. So it is compared to cat because cat always enter a place very silently. Summary. Next, he says that the fog has covered the whole of the city and harbor, and it appears as if it is sitting by folding its leg and looking around just the way a cat does. Okay, now what does he say? He says that fog has covered the whole of the city and harbor. Now, you guys have query regarding harbor? So I want to clear that harbor means port or dock. Generally, port or dock, and yes, where generally these ships are there. boats are there. That is the harbor. Okay, so he says that it appears as if it's sitting by folding its leg and looking around just the way a cat does. Okay, the way the cat sit. Okay, the folding its legs one to another, and generally the way they are, it is looking around just the way cat. Similarly, fog slowly and steadily cover the harbor and city, and looking the city like a cat. When it sits on the haunches and looks around, at the end he describes the departure of the fog, which is very silently and unpredictably, again similar to the departure of a cat, vanishes. It just come, and you sometimes you don't realize that okay, the cat has gone. It like vanishes for a in a moment. So he says that at the end he described that departure of the fog. Departure of the fog, which is very silently and unpredictably, it is gone with the by passing the time, and we see that this is this process is very silent and very mild. So, and unpredictably, that we cannot predict how it's gone, and it just has vanished like nothing is there. So again it is compare with this, the departure of cat. Yes, the poem. Okay, the fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches, and then moves on. Okay, so let me discuss hard words. Fog, it is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere, especially in winter. You can see the picture of harbor, which is in this slide. Harbor means port or a dock. On haunches means sitting with her knees bent. अब नीज बैंड करके जो बैठते हैं, वो जो सिचुएशन होती है उसे ऑन हॉन्जेस कहते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन. The poet is describing fog. Fog is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere. It will give us a very warm and cool feeling whenever we are facing this fog. It is generally seen during the winter season. You will feel it more in this hill station or hilly areas, because somehow you are at a certain heights and it will really give you this warm and cool feeling. Okay, so he says that it is present generally in the winter season. Okay, here the poet describes the advancement of fog towards the city and harbor. He describes advancement, that how he is taking his step ahead and slowly and steadily he tries to cover the city and harbor. He says that fog comes like a cat, comes on its little feet. Now he compares the procedure of covering the things or coming towards the city and harbor of fog is compared with the cat. How cat come at her little feet, okay, and slowly and very silently, even we don't even realize that okay, it is coming or it has come. But slowly and steadily and very silently, they are uh, cat cat came, as similarly fog is coming like a little feet of cat. This means the fog advances towards the city very slowly and calmly, just like a cat. It is not like that, okay, at a moment, like a storm, it covered the whole place. No, it come like slowly, very calmly. It come and cover the city and the harbor like a cat. One never knows how and when the fog will enter the city. You will never know that how it cover the fog cover the entire city, how it will come. Therefore fog is compared to the cat which enters our home is an unpredictable manner. We cannot imagine the, okay, we cannot imagine the things that, okay, cat is coming now. We realize that it is here when we have this face to face kind of this look, when we see that, okay, it is already entered in our home, which is in unpredictable manner. Next he says that the fog sits over the whole of the city as a cat sits silently by folding her legs behind itself and looks around the nearby places and things. Now how the city covered with this fog, how this fog look like, how this fog took its place. And he says that fog sits over the whole city as a cat sits silently by folding her legs and looking around nearby places and things. Similarly, it seems that the fog silently covers the whole of the city and the harbor and is sitting over them and it's sitting sitting on the over the city with the folding its leg and looking around or the its surrounding very silently. After a while, after passing some time, when the fog leaves the city and moves on, the poet says so because it's a natural phenomenon that fog does not stay at a place for a long and leaves the place after a few hours. So it is not a kind of a procedure that will continue to the end of the day. It's just a matter of time. And fog will always stay at a place for a few hours, and after a few hours it will remain vanish. So here also the poet says that just like a cat, the fog leaves the place very silently without notice by anyone. We never notice that when it will vanish from our eyesight. So here metaphor is used because fog is indirectly compared with the cat, okay, on a little cat fit. So fog is compared to cat. Here we will not find any rhyme scheme, okay. Poem is in a free verse. When a sentence continues to next line, it's looking then moves on, okay. So this is enjambment, you will find it. Personification is there because fog has been given the act of human being, like coming and sits. Fog comes and fog sits, so both the things both the activities are a human activities. That is why you can say that personification metaphor is there, because constantly poet compare fog with the act of, or with the yes, fog's act with the act of the cat. The way cat came, the way cat sit, the way the way cat gone. So all the procedure of fog comes, fog sits, fog goes. So all the these activities or that act is compared with the act of a cat. So you can say that metaphor is used in this whole poem. Okay, and meaning I have explained that fog, it is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere, especially in winter. Okay, harbor means port or dock, and haunches means sitting with the knees bent. Okay. So this is how he put very beautiful comparison of fog and a cat. The way it came, the way it sit, the way it goes. Okay, so this is how it comes slowly, and in a no time the fog cover whole city and harbor. It looks like the cat sitting with a leg on a leg and looking around what is happening. And after some time, slowly and unpredictably, the cat took leave. Similarly, fog took leave, or we can say that the fog vanished in a moment, even we don't realize. So uh, beautifully connect with cat. This indirect comparison between fog and cat, it suggests this metaphor. Okay, so you can write whenever they ask that the fog comes, the line first. Okay, the fog comes, here we can say that it is the personification, because it shows the uh, act of coming, which is related to human. On a little cat fit, here you can say that metaphor. Okay, it sits looking over harbor and city on a silent haunches, and then moves on. Here then moves on, it also a act of a human being moves on, going away. Okay, or start your journey towards the start your journey forward. So here you can also find the personification, so you will get the idea about figure of speech. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet poem. We will meet you on a next one with another good topic. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.